No, we did. Well, people might be sleeping. It's quite early. People on holiday. We are in Regusse, which is in the very south of France somewhere, and it's a beautiful day.
Sorry.
I don't know what she was doing. So we're the first ones awake. We've come on holiday with our friends and work colleagues. And we're going to get some croissants.
Hello. Hello, my friends who are watching this.
Yeah, hello Lila's friends. Enjoy school.
Yeah, hopefully you do. Of course you won't enjoy it without me.
To show that.
I will.
So this is a Eurocamp.
You just told me to shut up.
No, I didn't tell you to shut up. I was going to say, so this is the site. It's pretty big. Just got that hard to pass. So it's mainly these static homes, but I have seen a few like safari tents chucked in. And it is a Eurocamp, so there's a few all around Europe. And I'll just show, you got tennis courts over there. You got that dude there. Maybe at the supermarket. That's the swimming pool, but hopefully I'll show you that a bit more later. And over here, that's like their snack shack. They had crepes and other things. Oh, basketball courts.
Yeah, no basketballs.
We've got a good playground over there.
I can speak a little bit of French.
Over there, that's like the outdoor area where you can sit and there's a stage and they have entertainment.
I've got a good French accent. I was a bit dumb like that, not to really record.
Yeah, we've only got like 50 pairs.
I really want. There's £8 left.
That's a shop. After waking the others with a breakfast of croissants and coffee, we went and explored the local area. That's a nice camper van. We spotted some planes looking like they were doing some firefighting exercises, picking up water and dropping it back down, so we stopped to have a look. It's not even that cold, look at this. They scoop up the water to put fires out. See, look. We found this gorgeous spot which had a beautiful patisserie, so we stopped and had something to eat.
Oh my god, oh my god! It was coming close to me!
And vignette. Which one? Chocolate? Chocolate. You want that? Which one do you want as well?
I'm looking forward to this. Okay, we've just had the nicest coffee and cakes, and now we're going to attempt maybe to have a cold water swim, but it is a little bit cold. Oh my god, my shoe! No, my shoe! There we go. Lila's going to brave it.
No, I'm not going to do it. I just want to put my phone
I'm going to leave my phone so hopefully no one robs us.
No. Wait, I'll give you all my money if you jump in, but then if I jump in, then you give me my money back.
Hello!
Go in, and then I'll give you all my money.
I'm scared.
Just do it.
Very cold. I think there's a jellyfish.
Do it. Go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Sure.
sorry, put me in on 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I
Mom.
don't know if I can.
Okay, let me. For me. I did it bad.
It's very refreshing. Once you get out, it feels so nice. Like that breeze is warm now. After our cold water dip, we dried off and headed back to our Eurocamp. We wanted to see what their pool was like and see if it was any warmer than the cold water we'd been in. I'm not getting anyone in it.
It's alright.
I've got you in it. Nice. Okay, I thought I better do a cabin tour. So we're back in our cabin stroke static caravan-y place. So just had a really nice dinner. We've been swimming, got a bit cold, so I've got into a nice hot shower. But yeah, I will show you around our little home. Okay, so in here, we have Lila eating the Nutella. Please put the lid on. So you have a little kitchen area. There is no oven though. There's no kettle. And there's not too much room for storage. But it is fully equipped. You've got saucepans, cutlery, but although no knives, weirdly. Microwave, fridge. So we do have an ant infestation going on as well. Which, what can you do? So me and Lila are sharing that.
We're not going in here. Ever again.
We have
There's too many ants.
the shower room here. The shower's actually lovely.
Mum, can I get some spray and start spraying them?
Okay, get that ant spray. Cupboard. So, toilet here. And I won't show you those rooms, but they're 2 twins in each. So seats up to 6 people. I'll just show you the outside.
Right.
I really like this. So that's where we've been having our coffee in the morning and having our meals. There's just some ant murdering going on there. So yeah, it's very nice. So prices vary a real lot depending, like we're, I suppose, out of season and in term time. Yeah, so obviously it is cheaper if you come in term time, off season. They did a deal, so we got the P&O, like the ferry as well. Oh, yeah, really nice. I would say if you're staying at this one though, and we're in Regusse, you do need a car. Definitely need a car. I mean, you can stay here a week and just enjoy what's on site, but if you want to see the local area, you definitely need a car. I'll just show you inside our fridge. It's so French. I love it. The size of those tomatoes. Another thing to mention here, which not that it matters to us because we wouldn't be able to understand it, but there is no TV. So there's no TV here at all. So you can go out and enjoy the site without TV. As always, I forgot to end the vlog, but thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon.